All right, boys and girls, let's make us a smash burger, Southern way style. Let's go. All right, ground chuck beef, 80-20. Then we're gonna add some butter, salt and pepper, and then mix that junk up, just like this. Then we're gonna toast our buns, add some applewood bacon. Then we're gonna smash the balls. Make sure to hold it for about 10 seconds. Get it nice and firm. Then we're gonna add some cheese, and then we're gonna double stack our patties. Then once the cheese is melted, we're gonna bring it on over to our already fixed bun. And that's it, y'all. These don't take long to fix at all, and they're always good. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. All right, let's make some hot honey gold hot wings. First off, season your wings with any seasoning salt. Add some Old Bay, and then the twins garlic powder and onion powder, and end it off with some paprika. With our flour, they're gonna have all those seasonings plus breadcrumbs. Next up, we're gonna fry this at 375 for 10 minutes or till you desire crisp. For the wing sauce, Carolina Tango and Louisiana wing sauce. You can find this at any Walmart. This is all you need to keep it simple. I promise you, it's good. And that's it, y'all. Like and subscribe for more. All right, y'all, let's make a Chick-Fil-A sandwich at home, Jaws&Tae style. Let's go. First off, you're gonna add 2 cups of buttermilk to your pan and a half jar of pickle juice. Mix it together and then add your thinly sliced chicken breast to that. And we're gonna let it marinate in the fridge for 2 hours. After the 2-hour mark, we're gonna re-dip our chicken breast into that buttermilk mix and then dip it into our flour. The seasonings that's in the flour will be on the screen below. Next up, we're gonna deep fry this titty at 375 degrees for about 5 to 6 minutes. After that, let it sit for a minute and then bring it over to your brioche bun. And you can dress it how you want to. And that's it, y'all. Let me know in the comments below what you want me to cook next, and like and subscribe for more.
What up, y'all? It's Jaws, and I'm finna get y'all drawn. Let's make some pineapple punch. First, we're gonna start out with some pineapple chunks. We're gonna put it all in the bottom of the jar. Then we're gonna take some 100% pineapple juice, pour that in there just like that. Then I got some Sprite. I'm gonna use a little bit of lemon lime soda here. Alright, y'all hear that? Then some Tropicana pineapple mango punch right there. Now it's time for the liquor. First, we're gonna start with some pineapple rum, whatever kind you like is fine. Some exclusive pineapple vodka. And you can use the whole bottle of that. Then some Jose Cuervo tequila, but you can use any tequila that you like. I like Jose Cuervo. And then stir it up. Then there you go, pineapple passion punch. Enjoy.